In this video, I'm gonna show you how to download That's Not My Neighbor game in PC. So first of all, what you need to do is you're gonna open any browser in your system. Then you're gonna type into the search box for That's Not My Neighbor download. And once you have done that, you will be able to see here different links. But you're gonna scroll down until you find the link from the website itch.io. And once you have found this link, you can just click on that. Then as you can see here, this is the game and you can buy this for 2.99 USD dollars. And if you scroll down, you will be able to see here some more information about this game. You will be able to see here this buy now option. And in order to download this game, you must purchase it above from the minimum price. And once you purchase this game, you will get access to following files. You will be able to download this for your Windows, Linux or Mac operating system. And once you have checked that, you can click on buy now. Then if you also want to support the developer of this game, you can just choose any of these fundings from here. And if you don't want to do it, you can just scroll down and go with this payment. For this, first of all, you're going to type in here your email address, and then you're going to choose if you want to pay from your PayPal or with your bank card. And once you do that, the game will be downloaded into your device.